Hello students, welcome to our channel of Ambition Vedic Coaching Institute. Students, once again we are with our topic English subject. Today's topic is gap filling. See, I have told you already what happens in gap filling. This question compulsory carries 4 marks. 4 options are given. You have to choose one correct option and write in the fill in the blanks. 4 options are already given for a single gap filling. Means 4 options में से आपको एक select करना है और लिखना है. This question compulsory carries 4 marks. We shall solve one by one here paragraphs. Students, today's first question of gap filling. See, the modern student dash means fill in the blanks. The modern student dash the importance dash physical exercise. He spends, इसलिए यहाँ पे students ने लिखा है, singular students की बात चल रही. He spends 1 to 2 hours in open air dash. He takes part in different sports. However, care should dash not to overstrain dash body. See, solution is in front of you. What we have to do? We have to choose the correct option. This is for first 4 options. This is for second. This is for third. This is for fourth. And this is for fifth. See, the first one. You can take hint from here. Spends, takes. That's why the modern student understood, understands, understanding, upstand. What will be the answer? The answer will be this. What? The modern student understands. The modern students understands the importance. सीधी बात है. The importance physical exercise. What will be the answer? Without looking, you can tell the answer. What is the importance of physical exercise? Which of? Not OFF of. OF of. The modern student understands the importance of physical exercise. He spends 1 to 2 hours in open air, which he takes part. No, where he takes part, who he takes part, whose he takes part. What will the answer? Where he takes part. He spends 1 to 2 hours in open air where he takes part in different sports. However, care should, whenever he is should, being taken, being took, be taken, taking. What will the answer? Care should be taken. B plus V3. Care should be taken, not to overstrain to body, in body, for body, the body. What will the answer? The body. Care should be taken, not to overstrain the body. See students, in this way you can solve the answers. Just take out the meaning properly of the sentences. Read the second sentence up to understanding the meaning. It will easy for you to determine the correct answer. To determine the correct answer. In this way we can solve and your 4 marks will be captured.